Hi, I'm Ray, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and veg and some flowers with some DIY projects on the way. So, watching YouTube this week, and I saw Russ from Conversation Shed, and he was asking why on your free edition of Grow Your Own magazine you're getting parsnip seeds in the middle of August. And we all know, or if we don't know, that parsnip seeds are good to go when they're new and not so viable when they're old. So the question is, why do they send you seeds when it's not in season? But anyway, we brought my seed box down, and one of the questions that Russ has asked is, can you grow parsnips in a bucket during winter? So we've got some parsnip seeds, we've got a bucket, we've got a polytunnel, we've got a storm outside. Why not? Let's have a go. So this is our bucket. Unfortunately it's just a standard bucket and we haven't got any holes in this one, so we're just going to make a few holes just for drainage. So quick couple of holes. There we go. So we brought our seeds down, and the seeds that we've got are white gem, and we've got student parsnip. These are dated sowed by 2022, and these sowed by 2021. So this is 300 seeds, and this one doesn't say. So we're going to have a gamble and we're going to use both sets. So we've got our bucket, we've got our compost, and we're just filling up the bucket. So this is just normal general purpose compost, and it has a bit of sand mixed in. Give it a bit of drainage. As you can see, my runner beans taking over a bit here. So we're just going to flatten the surface. Going to take our seeds, and these are fairly flat seeds. Fairly big, we can see these, and as the same as what Russ did, he made little clumps of 3 or so seeds. So I'm just doing a little clump here, clump there, just around the edge, and a couple in the middle, and then we can thin out the rest of them. And as a bonus, we're going to try these seeds. Mix them all in, see what happens. If they're no good, then they're no good. Very much the same. So 3 just in the divots. There we go. We won't know which is which. And then we're just going to cover now with more multi-purpose compost. And we're going to leave this in the polytunnel and when they start sprouting we can take them out the polytunnel and see what happens. So there we go, that's our parsnips, white gem and student. So come back and see the progress of these during the rest of the winter. So along with the parsnips, Russ from the conversation shed also did some carrots, and we just pulled up some carrots, and these were the red cord chantenay, red cord 3. So why not have a go at doing some carrots over winter. We've got a bucket, and this one's got a big hole in it, so I've got an old piece of newspaper just to cover up the hole, but we're going to fill this up with some old compost from trays, recycling, and we're going to give the carrots a go. So let's fill up the basket. This is all compost that's come from flower pots, from seed trays. That's all been recycled again. So this is a layer I'm not going to do to the top. We're going to get our seeds. As we say, this is red cord chantenay. We're going to get our seeds. And we're going to sprinkle these. We're going to do, how should we do it? Lines. Should we do lines? Or should we do a circle? Should we do a circle? So we're going to do a circle round. And we're going to sprinkle our seeds around the circle. And then we're going to do an inner circle in the middle. And we'll see what happens there. So the rest of these seeds can go back. And we're going to cover top with the remaining compost. And we look forward to seeing if we can grow some carrots in a bucket in the polytunnel during autumn. All we need now is the label. Job done. Parsnips on the left, carrots on the right, and they're going to stay there now and see what happens. So we have a look at the parsnips we did in the container, and these were in individual pots, 1 or 2 seeds per pot. I'll add a link above to show you how we did these, and well, they've grown. They're not massive, but they've grown. And this one is the carrots. We did the same, and a mixed result. So I've just moved these outside, away from the fence, so they get a bit more sunlight, as the nettles were kind of shading them. And I'll also give you a quick update of the leeks. These are not doing too bad, and I've moved these onto the plot as the pumpkin was taking over from the alleyway. So have you grown parsnips or carrots in a bucket? And even so, have you done it during autumn and winter? Be interesting to know. Let me know in the comments. And also check out Russ from Conversation Shed. I'll put his link in the description below, and we can check out to see how his parsnips and his carrots are doing. So thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. And we look forward to seeing these in the next coming months, and we can update it even when anything happens. Thank you very much. Cheers.